Question number 1. What is our birthday queen's complete name? Come here. Do not shout your answer. Complete name po. Come here. I believe there are still some people outside. Please get in. Join the fun here. Join the celebration. May vacant na mga tables pa po and seats. What is her complete name? Buong pangalan. Sino nakakaalam po? Come here. Yes po. Sa celebrator. Yes, ma'am.
Anita Ventura Orate.
Correct po ba, Ma'am Ness? Yay! Yes. Please, come here, ma'am. Claim your prize and photo op po dahil. Yan po, prizes. Ayan, may pa-premium si ma'am. Okay. Okay, din pa-picture po dahil. Photo op. Dito. Yan. Okay, saan na dyan, ma'am? Yan. Dito, may picture po, ma'am. Picture po dito with our celebrator. Congratulations. Question number 2. When is her birthday? I need the complete date.
Asa mo
The
na?
month, day, and year.
Asa?
Ano yun, ma'am? Dito po. Dito. Ayun.
Virus brand kay kapalo mga online na sa October 9, 1955.
October 9, 1955. Tama po ba, ma'am? Okay, congratulations. Pick your prize po. Yan, sa Pagkapumayan Showcase. Yan. Picture po. Photo off with Agnes. Smile to the camera. Question number 3. Juanin, lalat with please. What day, sabi niya kasi October 9, 1955. What day of the week was she born? Anong araw? We have 7 days. So, anong araw yung October 9, 1955? Please, guess. Kami na. Guess. Anong araw yan?
Thursday. Huwebes.
Yes, hindi po. Okay, I'll give you another ano po. October 9, 1955. Today is Huwebes, but yung araw na isinilang po si ma'am. I'll give you another chance.
Martes.
From Sunday to Saturday. Sige. From Sunday to Saturday. Again, another clue. From Sunday to Saturday.
Saturday. Sunday.
Are correct, Sunday. Yes po, there, ma'am. Bigger prize. Sunday po, linggo po yung October 9, 1955. Picture po. Ito ngayon. Question number 4. What is our favorite food? Okay, paboritong pagkain po ni Mama Nets.
Palabok.
Palabok, tama po ba? Yes. Okay. Pick your prize. Okay, question number 5. What was her course in college? Ano pong kurso ni ma'am na pinuha nung siya ay nagkolehiyo? Kami po. Siguro andito yung mga kasabayan ni ma'am, mga guest kami, ma'am. Kami.
Nursing.
Another, hindi po nursing. Kami. Food and nutrition. Sige, B and food and nutrition. Okay, yan, picture po. From the by data talaga. From the profile sent to me, please name all our 3 children. May 3 anak po si ma'am. Please name pangalanan ang 3 anak ni ma'am.
Uy, Ines! Ay, basta! Dali! Para na yung prize!
God. Bigay ko natin.
right. That's Michael, one right hand. Nice. Ito naman ngayon. Okay, next question, number 7 po. O, dyan man po, find your seats po. At what age did she first become a mother? Ilang taon siya nanganak siya? Sino po panganay ng anak na? Si Michael po. Si Sir Michael ang panganay. Sige. Wag po muna magbigay sa lutang. Sige. Anong taon? How old was Mama Nix when she gave birth to Michael? Sige, sige kami. Stop!
Hi!
Kami, please.
Dali
Here's
na,
your
dali.
answer. No cheating, no cheating. Please, kami. Mama Nix ang mag-confirm. 6.
Hi!
Pick your prize na. Pick your prize. Choose your prize. Then, picture po.
Medyo ngit-ngit siya, kay generator lang among gamit.
Okay, speaking of 1955, medyo trending ang mga presidente ngayon. Mahilig ko who was the Philippine president in 1955? Isa'y presidente at 1955. Come here. You know? 1955. Sino ang pangulo ng tayo ngayon? Kami.
Si Diosdado, Chares.
Kami mga sige, kabe. Sino po? Tama po kayo, Sir. President Ramon Magsaysay. Kami, ma'am. Choose your prize po. Mamili po kayo ng inyong premyo po. Mula sa ating mahiwagang box. Doon po. Pagkabuhayan showcase po yan. Choose your prize po muna. Okay, yes po. Picture na yun. Okay. Smile to the camera. Kanina, Mama Nix was 26 years old when she had her first baby. Kayo naman, at what age did she get married? Ilang taon na si Mama Nix nung ikinasal? At what age? Give chance to others tayo. Sige, dito po.
Huwag ka kabalo!
Do you remember now? The next day, the answer mo na. Sige, kami in. At what age
Yes,
did she
yes.
get married?
Yes lang, guys.
Yes po. Ma'am, you're thinking. Nag-iisip ko si ma'am. Well, guess ako, guess. Ilang taon po si ma'am Nix nung ikinasal? Kasi 26 siya nung nanganak. Nung ikinasal po siya.
1970s.
Yung edad niya po, edad. Yes ako, guess. 23. Was it? Were you 23 years old, Mama Nix? No? Yes? No? Yes, yes! Pick your price po. 23 years old when she got married. Pick your price po, ma'am. Last number, very obvious to know. What's her favorite color? What's her favorite color? Come here.
Ding! Ikaw, Ding!
Pink is